Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 129. In this video, we're going to take a look inside of a multifunction turn signal switch. This is out of my truck, which is a 2001 GMC. This switch does quite a few things. The turn signal, right and left, does the high beams, the windshield wipers, the squirters, the cruise control, there's the set button, the horn connects through here, and then the hazards. This is a cancel lever that will cancel the turn signal when the steering wheel comes around. And there's a bunch of connectors on the end here. So I'm going to start by pulling this cover off. I've got to find the proper screwdriver bit, and I'll be right back. Screws are out. The two short ones here, long ones here. So this cover should come off. There's some tape on the bottom and the ground wire. Here's the turn signal cancel lever. So when the turn signal is put on, it'll push this piece out. Now this part feels like it wants to come off, but I'm going to probably have to cut the wires to get it off. There are some clips here that should allow me to pull it apart. There's a little cover here that was over these pins. And here's the hazard button. So this latches in its own housing like a ballpoint pen. Now we can see the gear that drives the windshield wiper switch, and that's in here. We'll get to that. So that right there in front of my finger is not an electrical contact. That finds the detent for the turn signal switch. Alright, I got some more stuff apart. I even pulled out the cruise control set button, which is right here. I went ahead and cut the wires for the cruise control switch. Now we can see the gear that drives the wiper switch. So we're pretty much finished with this stuff. We'll set this aside. And then here we should find the high beam switch and the wiper switch. The wires for the cruise control switch go right through here and come out at this connector right here. So I'm going to pause again here and try to get these two switches out of here. Before we look at these two switches, let's go back to the turn signal switch. Here's the contacts for the turn signal switch. The lever attached here. This white thing would sit in a detent to hold it in the right turn signal or left turn signal. Now here's the high beam switch. When you pull back on the lever, it'll push this in. Now let's see if we can get a better look inside of this. And here's the contacts for the high beams. There are more contacts here. Now on to the wiper switch. In the position it's in right now, it's off. Now we're into the delay settings. Low, high. Turning it this other direction, there's a single wipe setting, and this lever is for the squirters. I'm going to pause for a moment again and pop this open. Here's the contacts for the squirters, and our contacts for the different modes of the windshield wipers, and they meet up with this side. And there's a bunch of resistors in here, and these are for the different delay times. And that is what is inside of a multifunction turn signal switch out of, in my case, a 2001 GMC Sonoma. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.